Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. Hi, thank you so much for being here. We hope that you guys are having a wonderful time. We are very thrilled and so excited to show you some of the new content that we have. We hope that they're going to be informative and useful as they were for me when I started teaching. Now, this platform is not just for educators out there, but also for parents, grandparents, or even a mentor who wants to help somebody improve in these specific areas. Now, we've created this channel to help introduce the concept of phonics and how to utilize it to improve reading, writing, and also the language skills of young learners. Now, here at Kristine'S Phonics, we wanted to take away the belief that synthetic phonics requires highly technical skills and complex knowledge of its concept. Rather, we want to make it simple, progressive, and also effective. Now, of course, as we develop our page, we hope that we guys can provide you a simple beginner's approach all the way to more advanced techniques. Now, let me give you a little bit of information about myself. I am currently based in Hong Kong, and my background primarily is in early childhood education and also teaching English as a second language. I have been teaching since 2009, and for me, being a teacher really goes beyond being a career. It is truly a passion. It motivates me, it helps me to see the best version of myself, and it has also given me the continuous growth that I need, not just an educator, but also as a person. Now, I firmly believe that children learn more if the materials they are using is simple, easily digestible, and most importantly, fun. Now, being based here in Hong Kong, which is notoriously known to be one of the most competitive, stressful, and highly overworked academic environments for children and also for their parents, not to mention very expensive. This is why we want to address the current phenomenon that is synthetic phonics, which is highly advertised in every extracurricular center and schools to a point that it creates more confusion rather than the affirmation of its effectiveness. Now, our goal is to show how simple it is to understand phonics, utilize it, and teach it in a very fun and effective way. And also hopefully to shed more light onto why synthetic phonics is such an important concept to be learned at the very young age. Now, of course, with that said, we don't want to go through every methodology, technical concepts, because the truth is, phonics is so simple. You have to learn only the fundamentals, you have to learn pure sounds, and you have to learn the techniques on how to make it fun and interactive to make it effective for your kids and for your students. All right, I think that's all. I just swallowed my words in there, but I hope you guys have a little bit of understanding onto why we've created this channel. All right, thank you so much, everybody, and don't forget to click the next, not episode, but the next class that we have. And subscribe if you want to subscribe, and don't forget to share. We have more lessons to show you guys, not just kindergarten classes. Obviously, we're going to feature primary and upper primary all the way to secondary education. That means we're going to talk about grammar, sentence structure. We're going to do creative and summary writing, also research and presentation at the same time. So stay tuned, and thank you so much, and have a good night. Bye.